How to add someone to your Facebook business page. First, open Facebook. Make sure you're logged into your business page account. Tap on the profile icon. Tap on this option Professional Dashboard. Tap on the option Settings. Now you can access the page settings. Tap on this option Page Setup. Tap on the option Page Access that you can see at third. Now you can invite the people to access the page. If you want to give the Facebook access, you'll have to invite them for it. You can also give the task access, business portfolios with access. Tap on the option Add New right next to the access that you want to give. Tap on the option Next. Now search by the name or username. Enter the name or username over here. See the profiles. Tap on the profile of your choice. Tap on this option Give Access. Enter your Facebook password. Once you do that, the invitation for access will be sent to that particular person. If that person accepts it, they will be added to your Facebook business page. Like this, you'll be able to add someone to your Facebook business page. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.